Hi, thanks for checking us out. I'm Sam Jackson. My brother Brett and I started Heartland Turf and Landscape 20 years ago while going to school as a way to earn a little extra money in the summer. After a few seasons, we'd finished school and we realized that we really enjoyed the relationships that we'd built with our clients. So we continued to grow Heartland Turf and Landscape into the company that we're very proud of today. So while building those great relationships, we realized every property is unique and you really need to be paying attention to the details. So we use a state-of-the-art software that's directly connected to devices that our crews use in the field, which allows us to add notes to your services, pictures to your services, if there's some items of concern that you'd like us to pay special attention to when we come to do the work for you. So we make sure that we're getting those details right. We've also got managers in the field that are always doing quality inspections, stopping by to make sure that the jobs are getting done right. And we back all this up with 100% satisfaction, no questions asked guarantee. If you're ever not completely happy with the service, we're going to get someone out right away and we're going to take care of that concern and get it fixed immediately. If you're still not satisfied with the service, then you don't pay for it. We also don't require contracts. We believe our service speaks for itself, and you're going to stay with us because you're happy with your service, not because you're locked into a contract. We're great at communicating. If you've ever got a question or concern about anything and you call our office, you're going to get someone on the phone right away. We're going to answer that call, and we're going to make sure that we're getting that concern taken care of for you. Or even, if you need to email us, we make sure we're getting back and responding to your email right away. We also have the ability to manage your account online. We have a client portal that you can log into. That way, if you need to update a payment preference or see upcoming services on your schedule or request more services, it's super easy. You can manage all that online. It's also got an Apple and Android friendly mobile app, so you can do it all from your phone. It's a super simple process. And we really want you to feel like we're paying attention to all the details, that we're fostering a great relationship with you, that you can trust us to get the details right. So if there's anything that we can help you with, ask us. We've got a form. Ask us for a quote, and we're happy to get a quote for services to you or answer any questions you might have. So thanks so much for checking us out. We really look forward to working with you. Have a great day.